Now that the clay has been covered with some saran wrap to let it cool down, we come out with this really nice soft clay. You can take your saran wrap, lay it on a cutting board or a non-stick area, roll it out. If you don't have any cookie cutters around the house, you can use anything like a bottle cap, cut out circles. Can make designs with the edge of the bottle cap. Cut out different little shapes. Today what I'm going to do is roll them in a ball because I'm going to actually use them for something else. I have a toothpick here and I'm going to actually put a hole through it. We're going to use these for a later day. So I'm going to put a hole through, and I'm going to continue to go ahead and make different circles, popping holes through all of them so we can fit string through them. So there is your air dry clay, which will get hard if you leave it out. So just keep that in mind. Bye!